Our tires do a lot for us as drivers. They hold our cars up, take punishment from the road, and keep us rolling. And as tough as they are, they need a little TLC once in a while. Your tires need a plentiful supply of air in them to maintain a good pressure that keeps your car up and your suspension system from getting ruined. Toyota of Orlando is here with an easy guide to help you check your tire pressure and add more air if you need to. Your tires need to maintain a consistent air pressure level inside of them to stay inflated and working properly. Checking the pressure in your tires is easy, and all you need is a working pressure gauge. First, unscrew the stem cap off of your tire and quickly push the gauge onto the stem. You'll hear a brief hissing sound and then nothing if you did this correctly. Check the pressure reading on the gauge and compare it to your maximum tire pressure. To find the maximum tire pressure, look on the sidewall of the tire for the phrase max pressure and a number. This number is the maximum PSI, or pounds per square inch, pressure level that you should have in your tire. On average, most tires should clock in at about 4 to 6 PSI lower than the maximum level stated on your tires. This keeps your tire from bursting due to overinflation. You can also find your max PSI in your owner's manual. If your tires need additional air, find an air pump at a local gas station. These machines can fill your tires with the right amount of air. Make sure to check your tires again while inflating to ensure you're not overinflating them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help with your tire needs, visit Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vineland Road today.